Welcome to this technical guide on the Chust-Conga 4690. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Chust-Conga 4690 isn't holding a charge at all, you're likely facing a common issue with the battery. This can happen due to age, wear and tear, or even a manufacturing defect. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications, including potential damage to the internal components of your device. To get started on the battery replacement, you'll need a few tools and materials: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery compatible with the Chust-Conga 4690, and some safety gloves. First, ensure your device is powered off completely before beginning. Use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the casing of your Chust-Conga 4690. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Once you have access to the interior, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component connected to the main board. Gently disconnect the battery by unplugging the connector. It's crucial to handle this part carefully to prevent any damage to nearby components. Now, remove any screws securing the battery in place using your Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to note the types of screws you encounter, as they may vary, and keep them safe. Once the screws are out, you can lift the old battery out of its compartment. Take your new replacement battery and place it into the same slot, ensuring it fits securely. Reconnect the battery's connector to the main board, applying gentle pressure to ensure it's firmly in place. Remember, if at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the battery, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully put the casing back together, making sure all clips are secured and nothing is left loose. Once closed, power on your Chust-Conga 4690 to check if it's functioning correctly. If the device powers on and holds charge as expected, you've successfully completed the battery replacement. To prevent similar battery issues in the future, make sure to charge your device regularly and avoid letting it completely discharge too often. Additionally, storing it in a cool and dry environment can prolong the lifespan of your battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.